Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create couple moons wallpaper with InShot app. So just going to open InShot apps and select collage, and you can select moons images. If you want to add it, you can download this moon images from Google. So just click add, and you can select canvas in the bottom. Select 9:16 for the aspect ratio, and you can change the background. Just click background and select black color. You can resize the images of the moon, like so. Change the background to black background and click check mark. So here we go. Just tap on export button in the top right corner. So it's super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.